In a sunlit town, a busy nurse and her partner begin a minimal living experiment focused on meaningful routines rather than possessions. They move into a light-filled apartment and confront emotional pulls toward nostalgia, learning every item must earn its place. Practical shifts follow as mornings calm, bills drop, and time opens for shared meals, music, and long dog walks. The episodes highlight setbacks from temptations of impulse purchases to crowded schedules, but celebrate small wins that fuel resilience. By the end, viewers receive practical tips for downsizing, mindful shopping, and building a life that values connection over clutter.